I knew I wanted to do engineering, but I wasn't sure of which one. With chemical engineering, from what I was told back then, was that it is very universal, and the tools, the skills that we've learned, the fundamental tools that we get from chemical engineering, we can apply to anything. What's great about being in Taiwan is that you're not limited by any sort of resources. It's a coin cell, and this is the holder. And here is just a hole, so we can put it under this microscope here, this Raman microscope. What we're trying to do is eventually see if we can get something like a car, where we're running a battery in a car and we can charge it in 30 seconds. And after we charge it for 30 seconds, we want to be able to use it for several days, or at least drive it for several miles or kilometers without recharging it.
I will not say that studying chemical engineering is easy. It's a lot of hard work. Right after I finished my undergraduate degree, I decided to go into PhD program again in chemical engineering because I think I'm in love with this major. So basically, we will just we inject the analyte solution into this column. We have the guard column, and then we have this one column to retain the TMA from the solution, and then it will continue to the suppressor, and then it will be detected. And my current research now is I try to deal with semiconductor manufacturing wastewater because that's the emerging technologies in Taiwan. We have Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, we have AUO, and then we also have like HTC, the smartphone company. Remove the chemicals from wastewater, and it means that we can save the environment, and also if the recovery is successful, then the company can benefit from the economical point of view because they don't need to buy any new chemicals. They can just reuse the chemical they discharge to the wastewater.
Basically, I'm doing now on bio-nanocomposites, which is based on the nanofibers. I use a polymer solution called PVA or polyvinyl alcohol. The industrial application of the work I'm doing is basically there are variety of applications. We can name them one for in biomedical engineering, for tissue engineering, for tissue regeneration, in catalysis, for enzyme immobilization, and for environmental engineering, for killing the bacteria, filtering the bacteria from the atmosphere, catching the bacteria, or filter for waste materials.
My research field is about chitosan modification and application. Chitosan is a natural polymer with many good properties. We can modify the structure of chitosan to get another derivative, such as hydrophobic chitosan, carboxymethyl chitosan, to apply on drug delivery system. Besides, I also try to repair the magnetic nanoparticle and modify the surface to apply on biomedicine or magnetic sensing.
During this master's degree, I have been working on the modification of the nanoparticles such as silica or MMT. And what is interesting here is that our surface modification techniques, especially particles that are modified with polymer, will be later on useful for the wastewater treatment industry. Because Taiwan itself is so international, and also NTUST, because it's so open to international students. In that way, that can kind of make me to have a broader perspective. You can see from different sides, different point of views.
This is a new research that currently pursued by me and my advisor, so there is not much equipment that I can use here. But thanks to the good research connection between NTUST and other schools, and I have to admit that the research connection in Taiwan is really good, so that I can go to other schools to do my experiment or to consult any other professor when I need to, when I have any question regarding my experiment, because I and my advisor are both new in this field, and that's why we need other point of view from other professors.
I believe that the opportunity in all of Asia is increasing. It's not so clear-cut now that, oh, America is the place to be in terms of education, in terms of technology. It's not the case anymore. So I wanted to be a part of the change, so I came here. Or I wanted to stay here. And I wanted to develop a sort of sixth sense on what things are going on, so I wanted to start early.